What if you could take raw ERP data, unformatted, hundreds of rows, and turn it into a boardroom-ready executive dashboard, completely with insights and professional written email, all under 5 minutes? No complex formulas, no hours of pivot table setup, just plain English instructions, and Microsoft Copilot does the rest. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step using Copilot inside Excel. We are going to build an interactive dashboard, generate data-driven insight, and get Copilot to write the executive summary email for us. Let's get into it. Before we jump in, a quick note on access. To use Copilot in Excel, you'll need a Microsoft 365 subscription that includes a Copilot license. If you have that, you'll see the Copilot icon right here in the home ribbon on the far right side. Go ahead and click it. When the Copilot pane opens, you'll notice that there are 3 modes. The first one is Chat, the second one is Plan, and the third one is Allow Editing. Chart and Plan, this you can use to ask questions about your data without making any changes to it. Also, you can use Plan to plan how you want to edit your data. But the last one, which is Allow Editing, this is the one which we'll use today. This is the most powerful tool. It can add columns, remove duplicates, restructure data, build charts, all from a single text instruction. Let's put that to the test. The quality of what Copilot builds depends entirely on the quality of the prompt that you put in. And I have done that work for you. I have put the full prompt in the video description below. Make sure you grab it. Now let's build our first interactive dashboard. Here is what the prompt is asking Copilot to do it. It says, create an interactive dashboard from this budget versus actual P&L table. Add variance in both dollars and percentage for revenue and net profit. Create charts showing actual versus budget revenue month by month, net profit and variance by department. Add KPI cards for revenue, net profit and variance. Include slicers for the month and department so that we can filter during leadership discussion. Arrange everything cleanly on a separate dashboard sheet and make it look professional. That's it. One prompt. Let us hit send and watch what happens. In just seconds, Copilot has created a brand new sheet called Dashboard and is already building it right in front of us. Let me walk you through what it has created. At the top, the title, which is AfriFarmer Budget versus Actual Dashboard 2025. Below that, our KPI cards, actual revenue versus budget revenue with variance in both dollars and percentage, the same for net profit. These KPI are the first things that any executive looks at, and they are exactly where they need to be. Next, the interactive slicers. These are incredibly useful in real meetings. If you are the head of finance wants to focus on just 1 month of April, one click and every chart and KPI card instantly updates. If you want to filter a specific department, like say agriculture, pharmaceuticals, any department, the whole dashboard responds in real time. And down here, the trend charts. Revenue month by month, net profit trends, variance by department, everything we asked for. What used to take hours of pivot table work now takes seconds. This is the power of AI in Excel. Now, here is the part that really impressed me. We are not just going to look at the dashboard. We are going to ask Copilot to analyze it for us, pull out the key insights automatically. My prompt for this is simple. Just give us overall performance summary, month by month revenue trends, net profit analysis, best and worst performing month, department performance rankings, margin and cost structure analysis, and I've added this line at the end. Include any additional insight that you think it is important. Keep it executive ready and data driven. That last instruction is key. You are telling Copilot to think like a CFO, not just to describe the numbers, but to add value to it and give insight. Let me hit send. Look at the depth of the analysis. Best revenue month, October. Worst revenue month, September. For net profit, September was actually the strongest month. Department rankings, cost structures, COGS ratio, operational expenses, gross margin by department, all here. At the bottom, the most valuable section, the key takeaways, areas of concerns, and recommended actions. That is a CFO level analysis ready in seconds. Alright, we have the dashboard, we have the deep analysis, and the insights. Now comes the final piece. We are going to ask Copilot to write the executive email for us that ties all the things together. My prompt here is simple again. Write a professional executive email based on this dashboard. Include an executive summary, key drivers of performance, both negative and positive, risk and gaps, and 3 clear action items for the next month. Use a professional tone and include actual numbers from the data, and then hit send. Here it is, a completely professional email, clean executive summary at the top, performance drivers broken into negative and positive with the actual numbers included, a risk and gap section that is honest and specific, no vague corporate language. At the bottom, 3 concrete action items, each with a clear owner and a timeline. It closes professionally. Please reach out if you have any questions. Best regard, finance and strategy. All of this from raw data to an executive email, done in plain English. No formulas, no VBA, no design skills required. That is the power of Microsoft Copilot. The full prompt is in the video description below. Copy it, paste it, and try in your own data. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps more people to discover this channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to go deeper on Excel, AI tools, and building smarter workflow, please click the subscribe button. I post new video every week. Thank you so much once again, and see you next time.